Before you were even aware of your own existence, I knew you. Before your heart learned fear, hope, or longing, I had already written your name among those who would turn back to me. Every breath you take, every step you walk, every moment you endure, none of it is accidental, none of it forgotten. You wonder sometimes why your path feels heavy, why your prayers seem delayed, why your heart grows tired from carrying what others cannot see. Know this, the weight you carry is not a sign of abandonment, but of trust. I test those whom I love, not to exhaust them, but to purify them so they may rise with hearts that are sincere, resilient, and anchored in truth. Do not measure my closeness by ease, nor my care by comfort. Often, I draw my servant nearer through patience, through waiting, through nights where only I hear the whispers of the soul. When you feel alone, remember, you are never without me. I am present in the silence, in the unanswered questions, in the quiet endurance that no one applauds but that I record in full. When you fall and you fear that you have failed, do not despair. I tell you, returning to me after falling is greater than never falling at all. Your repentance is beloved to me. Your effort, even when it feels imperfect, is precious in my sight. I do not expect flawlessness from you, I ask for sincerity. I do not demand strength. At all times I honor the servant who turns to me. In their moment of weakness, be not deceived by what feels like a delay. What you await is being prepared with perfect precision. What I withhold from you now may be a form of protection. What I grant you later will arrive with wisdom you couldn't have had before. I do not rush what must mature, nor do I neglect what is promised. Trust my timing, for I see the full path while you see only the single step before you. When your heart trembles with fear of the future, remember, the one who sustained you yesterday will not abandon you tomorrow. When grief visits you, know that it does not enter without purpose, and it will not remain forever. After every constriction comes expansion. After every night, dawn is written. So, speak to me as you are. Come to me without masks, without pride, without despair. I am not distant from your pain, nor am I indifferent to your longing. I am nearer to you than you can possibly imagine, and more merciful to you than you are to yourself. Just walk forward slowly if you must, but always with hope. Anchor your heart in me, not in outcomes. Place your trust not in people, not in certainty, but in the one who never errs and whose plan is flawless. You are seen, you are heard, you are held in care, and nothing you endure with patience will ever be lost. Thank you for listening. If this message brought you peace, please consider subscribing for more moments of reflection.